Hey guys, welcome back. So today I just want to do a quick update on my sea monkeys on Mars. We are going to be topping off the tank with a little bit of distilled water, just up until the black line in the back. Should only be a couple tablespoons of water. But first I want to get a nice close-up of all the babies and all the adults before we start things up. So let's take a closer look. Alright, as you can see, there's tons of babies and pregnant females. Everybody looks very happy. So just a quick tip, topping off your sea monkey tank, not something you want to do every couple days unless you have a lot of evaporation, but you want to wait for it to drop about 3/4 of an inch before you top it off. I top mine off about once a month. Let's get another close-up shot.